Do you want to do this one? It's Ferrari, you do it. You said you're going to do it. Go on.
Yeah, it's Ferrari. Hello, and welcome to Rushton Hall, which is near Kettering. That's not important. What is important is that if someone was to ask me what my favourite car brand was, I'd find it very difficult not to say Ferrari. And we've been very kindly asked to come along to the Ferrari Owners Club GB Concourse Summer Garden Party get-together session. So, we don't think...
Short.
In short. The short version. We don't think we're going to do any walking and talking or anything like that, because I mean it's kind of...
The cars can speak for themselves today.
And yeah, so here you go. Ferrari Owners Club Garden Party.
Please enjoy.
Yes.
It's a Ferrari 250 GTE. It was built in 1961. It was one of 954 originally built, of which there's probably about 400 surviving. It was sold new to a man named Bacher in Rome, and he kept the car for the first 2 or 3 years. And reputedly it was used by Dino De Laurentiis, the film director of films such as King Kong, and then he passed it on to a lady by will in London, and she in turn sold it to her doctor, and he kept it till 1974, probably when he died, and he used it to do his rounds, and it still had the doctor on call sticker in the window when we bought it, but I think he'd run it into the ground by then, so he laid it up but couldn't bear to sell it, and I think it stayed in the garage until he died. And in 2012 it was pulled out of the garage, looking very sorry for itself, but complete and original. And we bought it at Bonham's sale that year. And then we sat on it for about 2 years, not quite sure how to get it restored, knowing we wanted to do a good job on it. And then when we moved down to Hampshire, we met Emblem Sports Cars, who, the father of one of the proprietors, actually had one the same as this. And they seemed very nice people, so we committed it to them, and it took 3 years to restore. With various delays, like a crown wheel and pinion for the back axle took 6 months to get from Italy, but eventually we got there, and it was finished in 2017, and it came to the Ferrari Owners Club, and it won a platinum at its first outing, and here we are again today. It's won best in class, and it's again scored over 97 points out of 100. We don't know exactly how many yet, but we're very happy with what it's done already.